how this lamb roots your body in the earth, unites living nutrition with direct contact with nature, and prepares body, mind, and soul for deep and healing coherence. Welcome to the 14th Whisper, continuing the practical synergies of the SSRT. Today we combine conscious nutrition and grounding to restore the coherence of your physical temple. The body and the earth are one. When you nourish them together, your vibration rises naturally. Combine and vibrational detox like living food and lemon water with daily grounding for 10 to 20 minutes barefoot. Walk in nature, touch trees, breathe fresh air, and observe how your mental clarity, energy, and emotional state improves. I declare with certainty, my body is nurtured with life, my feet connect with Mother Earth, and my system aligns perfect coherence. I release the how and trust the intelligence that generates every cell throughout nature and nutrition. In this silence, connected to the earth, I listen and receive the vitality and healing already available. For your daily practice, include at least one living food for meal and spend 10 to 20 minutes barefoot in contact with nature. You are available and the field responds with natural health and vitality. This is a 24-day journey on Tuesdays and Thursdays, allowing for gentle integration. Check the book link in the description. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. See you on day 50 with profound love, radiant light, and absolute trust.